Hello, I am here and I'm going to be teaching you how to make bubble safe games for your babies. Do you know that you probably might have been doing it the wrong way? Or hold up, do you know that there are unsafe bubbles for your infant? I think we need to know first that there are unsafe ones before we talk about the safe. So you can just go to a random store to get bubbles without probably reading what it entails, without even knowing if it's okay for an infant. And of course, they too need to explore. Apart from bonding with your infant at that state with bubble games, they pick up different skills that are very good for their growth in that game session. And that's the reason why that activity is highly recommended, but you need to get it right. This bubble game I'm going to teach you, it's not going to irritate your baby's skin. It's not going to cause red eye or hot eye. It's just going to be the perfect one. And trust me, it doesn't even take more than 5 minutes to set up. I mean, this is just very seamless. So why do we stress ourselves trying to go get it from a store or trying to, do it just anyhow as long as it produces a bubble? No. For our infants, we are going to be more careful. Have you heard of unsafe bubbles before? Drop in the comment section, let me know. And then they are safe bubbles, right? What do you think about safe bubbles? I'm going to be diving into it now, but just tell me, what do you think about safe bubbles? How do you know safe bubbles? Have you tried using safe bubbles? Let me know in the comment section. Please interact. So right now we'll jump into the video. If you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, hold up, just hit the subscribe button. What are you waiting for? And so without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay, first thing first, to get your bowl where you'll be making your mixture, and then we also need a bubble blower. I'm going to be teaching you how to make a bubble blower from the comfort of your home. So everything here is DIY. You don't need to go out to go look for any item. You can wake up any day and decide to do and play this activity with your infant. So I just used a thick wire. You can also use a thick rope or whatever can actually create this kind of loop. Will be very good for a bubble blower. That's a baby bath. So whatever soap you are using for your infant at that time to take his or her bath, you definitely would be introducing it into your bubble. Of course, a spoon, and then what we have here is a cup of cold water and a cup of hot water. For the cup of cold water, the water you'll be adding is actually determined by the quantity of bubbles you'll be making. So I used quarter cup of cold water, and then half of that quarter cup for the one or the other side, and which is the hot water. I added sugar into the hot water, which is actually optional, but it's okay. It helps to create elasticity of the bubbles such that it's less likely to pop as soon as you blow it. Yeah, so let's get started. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. I am Chioma Vanessa, and I film about faith, lifestyle vlog, and motherhood. Returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. So I'm here trying to teach you the safest bubble game you can make at home with your infant. All right, again, the quantity of bath soap you'll be introducing for your bubble is also determined by the quantity of bubbles you need. So for me, I just used 2 spoons, and then I'll get my cold water and I'll make sure I pour it really slowly, just so that it doesn't create bubbles at the top. We don't need any kind of bubble right now. We don't need it, so I'll just pour it really slowly. I also get my hot water, which is my mixture, my sugar mixture, and also pour slowly, you guys. And that's all. Like, that is all. You're about to have the most fun time with your infant. Now, I'm really saying infant because ordinarily Toddlers love this game a lot. They jump around, they play with it, but you can introduce it to your infant because there are a lot of benefits attached to it, which I would be sharing with you in the course of the video. So you guys, we're done. I'll just leave overnight. It helps the mixture to gel together to make the best bubble for your baby. So the next day, let's see how my daughter performs. This is the very first time I'll be introducing this game to her. She has never ever played this before, and I think I kind of started late because hello, she just turned 7 months a few days ago. What have I been doing? Yeah, so of course I expect that she looks at it strangely and try as much as possible to understand what exactly is going on. You can see her trying to like pick the bubbles on the floor, but she's not really she's still wondering, what is this? What is this? Just talk about 4 skills I think your infant will pick from this game. Number one is visual tracking. Babies see and watch bubbles from about 3 months of age, and that's because at this point their nearsighted vision has developed enough, so your baby's going to be watching the movement, and it creates this opportunity to strengthen their eye muscles. Also, when your baby is tracking bubbles in motion, it helps them develop focus. Bubbles can also assist your babies in developing comprehension of shapes, forms, and also texture. So they're like, what is this? This is different from what I've always known. It can also help them, demonstrate that some objects are actually heavy while others are lightweight and they can float. Because most of the toys they've been handling prior to now are heavy, the ones that can drop and all of that. But then this time around, they're seeing objects and they're like, why is this thing for long up? You get. Thirdly, this game would also encourage muscle strengthening. So this inquisitive nature of babies, they want to like reach out and all of that. So this game will encourage motion and it will help to strengthen their muscles. And as baby continue to grow, start to crawl, they will eventually begin to start chasing after bubbles. And of course, this will provide them with this gentle exercise that is good for them. We have the gross motor skills. So your baby movement would assist with developing their hand, eye, and foot-eye coordination. So overall, this game is not bad after all. What do you think? Drop in the comment section. Would you be trying this out? Would you be trying this out? Remember that your toddler can also enjoy this very well. I mean, they are the real owners of this game, but introducing it to your baby quite early would help in developing most of the things I mentioned earlier. Leave in the comment section. This is the first time my baby is trying this game. How did she do? Rate her. I want you to rate her 10 over 10. Here, I was just trying to show you how much your bubbles can stay before it pops. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.